today we've checked into the Marriott Bonvoy on Courtyard Street in St. Augustine Beach, and I'll show you our room. So this looks lovely. This is obviously, the bathroom. Got some towels there and some soap, pointing out the obvious. Wish they do put the seats down. But yeah, some more towels. We have this and this huge shower. That looks lovely with shampoo, conditioner, body wash, a little tiny ledge, that's going to come in handy, and a hairdryer hanging on the back. That's cute. In that room there is Jeff and Bonnie, our wonderful, wonderful friends. We have this, wow, just got a full length mirror on either side, lots of hanging space, an ironing board, a luggage rack, no luggage rack, but a rack to put stuff on. And then I love this, I really like the walls and the design. This wallpaper is lovely, and it's textured as well. And then a bed each, and look at this design. So yeah, some drawers, somewhere to put our luggage. We're just here for one night, but oh, this is lovely. Two waste paper bins, seating, pull out desk, yeah, because that's on wheels, you'd pull that out. Coffee making machine, TV, ice bucket lamp. Should we put this on? How do we put this on? Oh, it's already on. Yeah, I can't work how to do it. I've gone male. Notes, ice bucket, lots of coffee cups, which is good because the place we're staying in at the moment hasn't given us any coffee cups back in Orlando. And then a fridge. There you go. Oh, this is wonderful. This is lovely. A lovely seat. Fantastic. And what we got here? Some USB and plug points, TV, Holy Bible, and a Book of Mormon. Oh, fantastic. And then got a lamp there, and our view. Behind this tree is the beach. We're that close, we really are. It's so pretty. This is absolutely beautiful. So happy to be spending the night here, so excited, and it looks lovely. Can't wait to explore St. Augustine.